On so many occasions, so many people has actually reached out to me and some of the other coaches at BILBRIDGE asking us how do you close partial profits. If you are trading with multiple take profits, you need to know how to close partial profits so you can as well throw your stop in profits and so on. My name is Radio and this is BILBRIDGE. Before we go on, I would like to ask if you've subscribed to our YouTube channel, BILBRIDGE, where you can learn almost everything you need to know about forex trading. And if you're not yet on our Telegram channel, you can use the link below to join our free Telegram channel, where you get trade ideas every day to put into your trading platforms and make good profit. How do you close partial profit, and why do you need to close partial profit? Most of the time when we send out trade ideas on our Telegram channels and every other platform of ours, we provide multiple take profits. That is probably take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, sometimes up to take profit 5, aka TP1 to TP5. By the time we start trading and we keep going, sometimes this trade eats the first profit on time, or whenever it is first profit, we send out notifications telling people and traders to actually close partial profits and move stop loss to entry. In this video, I'll be showing you how to close partial profits, and in the next video, I'll be showing you how to move your stop loss in profit or to entry or just anything you want. On my screen right here, there's this trade Euro NZD. This is Euro versus New Zealand dollars, and as you can see right now, is in profit. Ignore the profits. All I just want to show you is how you can close part of this profit and move on with your trade, or you can actually close the trade entirely if you choose to. So without further ado, let's just go straight into it. This is demo account, by the way, and I only put this trade in to show you how to close partial profit. Alright, so this is Euro NZD and is in profit. Now let's say you get a notification saying Euro NZD TP1 hits, close partial profit and move stop loss to entry. So I'll basically show you how to close partial profit and how to move stop loss to entry, but there will be a detailed video on how to move stop loss into entry and in profit later on. The next thing you need to do is when you look into your MetaTrader 4 or any other trading platform you use, and you see the position you actually want to close partial. Now we have Euro NZD sell position with 0.50 lot size, and we are in profit right now. We want to close partial and move stop loss to entry. So all you need to do is swipe on your trade on an iPhone or just any other way it's done on Android, how to bring out the options. Then click the first icon, which is the one you use in closing your trade when you want to close your trade. Just click on it. And as you can see, the trade we have 0.50 lot size, that's 0.50. Now we want to close partial. When you are closing partial, I can decide right now to close 0.48, 0.49. I can decide to close 0.02. I can decide to close 0.20. Whatever I feel I want to keep, whatever profit I think I want to keep is what I actually close. So let's go before the whole profit is gone. So now 0.50, let's keep 0.25, which is half. You can see now we have profit of $13. If we want to close the whole 50, we'll be closing with $27. But let's say we want to close with 0.25, leaving 0.25 position, then we are closing $13. You can see I've taken partial profits. You can see my history right now. Euro NZD sell 0.25. I had 0.50, but I have closed half of it right now. You can close any percentage you so choose to. So now I have closed 0.25, which is half, and that is $12.95. After the broker deducted whatever is theirs, we have 11.70 left. So that is how you close partial profit, and by so doing, you secure the bag. You keep securing some of your profit, even if the trade goes back to entry now and take us out, you know you made something from the trade. That is how to close partial profit. So briefly, I'll just show you how to move your stop loss to entry, but there'll still be another video explaining in details how to move stop loss to entry and in profit. So let me show you briefly how to move stop loss to entry. Right now, looking at this position, let's say we have multiple positions, but I'm actually dealing with Euro NZD. What you need to do next is click on Euro NZD, just tap on it, and you see the options. Below USD sell 0.25, you can see the first figure, which is 1.68781. That is where I entered this trade from. 1.6878. Forget the pipette. Let's deal with the first four numbers after the decimal. 1.6878. That is my entry price. Now I have closed partial profit. I want to move my stop loss to entry. I just need to take away a pip. Ideally, you can put it in the same exact 1.6878, but for me, I like adding one pip to it, so at least I don't end up having negative when I'm taken out of the trade. So now we are selling, and if we are to keep one pip profit, that would be 1.6877 instead of 6878. So let's just do that right now. I'll edit right now. You can see the pencil icon. I'll click on it. Then I'll put my stop loss to 1.6877. Done. Even if this trade likes, it should reverse right now back to the entry price. It will take me out in blue and I will not be losing anything. And again, I've actually secured some money from the trade, so no trade will be wasted and you will not run the risk of losing all your profit. So guys, that is how to close partial profit and basically how to move stop loss to entry. I hope this video is explanatory enough. If it is not explanatory enough to you, you can watch it over and over till you understand. If you still have problems with your trading, you can reach out to me via the links below. Reach out to me on Telegram, on Instagram, or on WhatsApp. I will answer your message as soon as I'm able to. But if you still want to learn how to trade Forex properly, how to trade Forex like a professional and not keep losing money and gambling, if you want to take day trading or swing trading or scalping as your daily life, as your profession, you need to acquire proper education. If you need someone to groom you, to train you, and to help you grow, you can also still reach out to me. Myself and the team at BILBRIDGE will be able to guide you and help you achieve everything you want to in Forex trading. Thank you so much. Remember, subscribe by clicking the link below, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and leave anything you want me to know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Once again, my name is Radio and this is BILBRIDGE. See you in the next video. Bye.